Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 40 cents and 87 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach 40 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is 7 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then uncontrolled cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being mocking, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture counsel. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. All in all, how about we jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in prominence. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Moreover, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, digital forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into dissemination as mining rewards is split at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin principal investigation. It's memorables basic that dissimilar to on account of the securities exchange. Most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to enterprises. In this manner, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by directing a proper essential examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the task. Central examination is worried about deciding a resource's characteristic worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inward and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward and claimed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. In spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian cash that can be utilized for regular consumption. To keep up with the usefulness of the biological system, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be gained. Dogecoin use is anticipated to grow by over 5% yearly, which will build the cash's worth. Dogecoin current cost. Dogecoin is at present worth 8 cents USD. Doge has moved 4.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $526,541,246. Dogecoin is at present position 9 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $10,815,794,402 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2022. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 13 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 22 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Doge's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 17 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 31 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 28 cents and a low of 26 cents in 2024. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. In the event that Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2025. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 40 cents, with a base cost of 35 cents and a typical cost of 37 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 46 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 44 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a greatest value worth of 49 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 55 cents. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 57 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 53 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 62 cents and a yearly cost close above 66 cents in 2020. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. By 2029, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 71 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 75 cents, averaging out at 73 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Doge cost in 2030 is projected to be 87 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 83 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a fast and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The undertaking's objective was to construct areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-understand Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital forms of money had previously acquired far and wide acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Subsequently, the Dogecoin people group immediately framed to advance and address Doge